Hey everybody, I'll tell you what, late to my own show. Can't believe that. But anyhow, I wanted to make sure everybody knows that today is the starting day to the 2021 Halloween group build. I should have said something earlier today, but getting ready for a work function that's going to kind of take up this week. So you'll probably start seeing me finally getting back to a lot of my comments. Kind of behind on. And for the group build, if you're in and I don't have you on the list in the description below, please make sure you comment in this video and let me know so that way I can watch for the videos. I have been throwing together a playlist of everybody's video that has been, posting something on Halloween group builds and that, so that way if you want to catch up and missed anything, you can look right there and that. So if you guys have a video that ain't on that playlist, also just message me and say, hey, you missed me. I'll gladly put you on the list because I don't want to miss nobody. So Charlie just did a video and Jeff did a video on a guy who's just starting out. This is going to be his first group build. He has a video out and everybody's starting to subscribe to him because they're starting to spread the word. But it's Pa's Model Workbench. He's got one video out and his first build is going to be in the Halloween group build. He is doing the Grim Reaper from, I think that one's from Mobius. I did that last year. It's a real fun build, so hopefully he enjoys it and we'll get to see how he does. So go on over there and subscribe to him. Watch him as well. Watch everybody who's in the Halloween group build. Should be a blast. Should be a lot of fun. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.